American Icon Graphene ceramic products are high-performance, easy-to-use, durable professional formulas with super hydrophobic properties, extreme hardness, and a shine that lasts. Before you begin, it is highly recommended to remove waxes, sealants, tar, iron, and other contaminants with a clay bar using a non-waxed lubricant. Fix any scratches with a non-waxed and non-sealant compound polish to remove defects. Wear protective PPE like gloves, respirator, and eye protection while using products. It is also important to keep the vehicle out of the sun during the entire application process. Touch the vehicle surface to make sure it's room temperature. Use our S200 surface cleaner to remove any remaining oil, grease, wax, or sealant before applying a ceramic coating or auto body finish. Pour our S200 surface cleaner into a chemical-resistant spray bottle. Spray our S200 surface cleaner liberally onto surfaces and wipe off with a high-quality clean microfiber cloth. Our S200 is safe to use on all exterior surfaces to be coated. Clean all painted panels, lights, plastic, rubber trim, and glass. Keep wipers off the windshield while cleaning and during the entire application process. Work your way around the entire vehicle cleaning one panel at a time. American Icon Graphene Ceramic Coating 1140 Pro Kit contains what you need for application. Inside the box, you will have a foam block applicator, a 100 milliliters bottle of American Icon Graphene Ceramic Coating 1140 Pro, and 2 small high-density microfiber cloths. Basic instructions are printed on the side of the interior box for convenience. The 1140 Pro Kit contains a jumbo 100 milliliters bottle. It's enough high-performance graphene ceramic coating for 2 vehicles. Our formula is suitable for all surfaces, including all single-stage paint, clear coats, gel coats on boats, glass, chrome, plastic trim, headlights, wheels, calipers, and even wraps. Install 1 microfiber cloth onto the foam block applicator by wrapping the high-density cloth around the blue side of the foam. Insert cloth into the slits on the sides of the foam block applicator. Use the back of a spoon handle or thin flat tool to ease the installation. We recommend you have a few large high-density microfiber towels without edges on hand for wiping off excess product during application. American Icon Graphene Ceramic Coating 1140 Pro has twice the active ingredients of other ceramic coatings and a lot of suspended graphene. It should be shaken each time before adding it to the applicator. Gently pour the graphene ceramic coating onto the microfiber cloth that is attached to the applicator block. Saturate the microfiber cloth with the graphene coating. When applying ceramic coatings, it's best to start from the roof and work your way down. Work in 2 to 3 square foot sections, one panel at a time. Use a crosshatch pattern when applying the graphene ceramic coating. In other words, apply the graphene ceramic coating left to right, and then go over the section again in a top-to-bottom motion with a slight overlap. Use a 395 nm UV black light to look for mist areas while section is still wet. Apply to mist area and feather in. Let the wet coated section flash dry for about 1 to 2 minutes and gently remove excess product. American Icon Graphene Ceramic Coating 1140 Pro formula works on all surfaces like glass, plastic, and rubber trim. The application method is the same. Use the overlapped crosshatch application pattern when applying and gently wipe excess after 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure windshield wipers are up and off the glass before and during the entire application process. American Icon Graphene Ceramic Coating provides enhanced water-repelling properties on glass. Water wicking and visibility during misting or heavy rain are dramatically improved. With the added benefit of graphene, water spots and leaf stains are no longer an issue for vehicles left outdoors. Graphene Ceramic 1140 Pro also adds extra UV protection to surfaces and helps reduce fading and discoloration of paint, coatings, and plastic lenses. Wheels and calipers can be coated with American Icon Graphene Ceramic Coating 1140 Pro to make cleaning dirt, grime, and brake dust easy. Once coated, most grime will wash away without cleaners and heavy scrubbing. Watch faded trim come back to life. Just apply 1140 Pro it to all surface planes and wipe off excess in 1 to 2 minutes. American Icon 1140 Pro has an extended open time that allows you to work on detailed areas. You don't need to rush because it dries too quickly like you do with other ceramic coatings on the market. If you wish, you can apply an additional coat within 1 hour of the first coat or immediately following the first pass around the vehicle. Full cure time is about 24 to 48 hours, but is dependent on environmental conditions like temperature and humidity. Keep water off the vehicle until fully cured. It is very important to not wash the vehicle for 7 days after application. American Icon Graphene Ceramic Coating 1140 Pro can last 9+ years. 1140 Pro has a 10H hardness rating and resists surface scratches and water spots from washes. Some periodic maintenance is recommended using our American Icon Refresh Spray. It is designed to reduce coating wear and maintain hydrophobicity through the years. Use American Icon Graphene Ceramic Refresh Spray to maintain and boost any ceramic coating, including American Icon Graphene Ceramic Coating 1140. Shake well and spray a fine mist directly on the surface or a microfiber cloth to apply. Flip the microfiber cloth over to a clean side and wipe until dry. Use after every polish and after every 2 washes. Refresh Maintenance Spray provides 6 months of extra hydrophobic properties on surfaces with or without ceramic coatings. The most versatile graphene ceramic coating products that outperform the ceramic competition. American Icon Graphene Ceramic Coating products are easy to apply and provide super hydrophobic properties with extreme hardness and a shine that lasts. American Icon Graphene products are formulated and made in the USA. American Icon finishes. Coat with passion, demand quality, deliver with pride.